This video is for families with children that are looking to buy a home in a safe environment and to have their kids attend top private and highly ranked public schools. I am currently in the neighborhood that is one of the safest in Toronto and features one of the top schools not only in town but in entire Canada. Those who follow my YouTube channel already know that I am a real estate broker in Toronto with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm specializing on helping families choose homes, and often I advise on choosing schools as well. So when I work with buyers, this neighborhood is in the list of my preferred areas, and I never miss the chance to drive my clients through its streets. I am talking about Deer Park. Let me explain the value of this location, and at the end of the video I will show you a home that I find an attractive buy for a family with kids. Deer Park is bounded by Yonge Street to the east, Avenue Road to the west, and centered around St. Clair Avenue. When you live here, the closest amenities and conveniences will be on Yonge and St. Clair. Here you will find fine dining, charming high-end stores, art galleries, and local businesses. Your transportation will be along Yonge Street with the subway line and frequent bus stops. Parks and recreation facilities are walk distance. Oriole Park, Forest Hill Road Park, 2 trails, 2 tennis courts, 1 baseball diamond, and many more. Yorkville is 8 to 10 minutes away. Union Station is 15 minutes away by subway. Now, one of the most important factors that attract families here is schools. For public options, you have Deer Park Junior and Senior School with the ranking of 8.8 out of 10, and North Toronto Collegiate Institute for High Schoolers with the ranking 8.2 out of 10. Many parents choose to live in Deer Park greatly because of its proximity to the most prestigious private schools. Upper Canada College is 2 minutes away, the Bishop Strong School is 10 minutes away, De La Salle College and the York School are within 10 minutes drive. By the way, University of Toronto is also minutes by subway, so your child may still reside with the family while studying at the university. So, as you may see, the neighborhood has one of the best coverage in terms of schools. Now, let's look at the demographics. Average age of the residents is between 15 to 67 years old, which means that majority of the households are occupied by families. Average gross household income is $130,000. Would you be interested in exploring Deer Park further? Let me show you a wonderful house which make a perfect home for a family with 1 or 2 children. If you like this property and you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out directly at 647-294-3039 or by email olena@agentalena.com. If you would like to schedule a discovery call and find out more about this neighborhood or any other areas with a great lifestyle, schedule the time in the link to my calendar below this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.